Hello, ladies and gents. Boo to you. Well, I know it's way too early for Halloween, but I just had to show you. I got this little guy from a rummage sale. He was 50 cents, and he's that paper mache. And I don't think he's handmade. I think he's store bought, and I also don't think he's vintage. I think he's just a reproduction of the needle masks that are so expensive these days. And there was a hole in the bottom, and I stuck a little dollar store candle in there. And they look cute. I don't usually decorate at all for Halloween, but I couldn't pass this guy up. And I'll probably sell him. And I hope I sell him for what do you call it? Not a bargain. Um, a good deal, but more profit than 50 cents. So, what I wanted to show you were these neat pumpkins from the dollar store. I'm not kidding, the dollar store. And these are, in my opinion, just as good as the ones at Hobby Lobby when they go on sale for $4 or $5. But let me go put a brighter light on and I'll be right back. Why I'm showing you these is that because they're just really, really nice. And I had to go to, well, I didn't have to. I happily went to $6 Trees yesterday on Monday. And I don't know. I got ants in the pants because I went to $5 stores today. It's just fun for me. I love fall so much, and with my pennies, the dollar store goes a long ways. So what I wanted to show you, and these were I love this year. I love leaves on top of pumpkins, and these are from the dollar store. And if I can do this right, I don't have a tripod, so bear with me. I just think 2 leaves glued on top of these. I'm not doing this very well, am I? Okay, isn't that just, the colors are just so beautiful? Oh my goodness. And the little pumpkins, everybody uses them in little decorations elsewhere, like a truck or something, so you get double bang for your buck. You get the leaves and the pumpkins. So yeah, I'll just try to show you this one as well. And because I watch videos and I'm going like, oh, I can't see, pick it up, let me see. So I think those are so nice for $1. The stems too. So if you can't find something at $1 store, go to the next one if you can, because it's just fun, and life is supposed to be fun. So don't feel guilty, just go do it. Oh, I will show you the numbers on these. Maybe this will help you. 954640189. I don't know if you include the 5 after that or not, but let's see if this one's the same. Yeah. So, all right, one more thing that's really simple, and you probably know this already, but thank you for letting me tell you anyways. And I just remembered, okay, these are from Hobby Lobby, and they're $1 something once you get them on sale. And I'm into these beads this year, so I'm thinking, how pretty is that? For that just to hang on there, if I can get it properly. It's caught. There we go. So if you don't look at the tags, should have took some tags off. But isn't that pretty? I think so. Okay, speaking of beads, this is what I was going to show you. Okay, these, oh, look at this. Let me move some things over so I got room here. You're going to love these. There's 4 different styles. And I opened one just to show you. I just love it. And you get these 8 beads, and I'll show you on the back. This is what I'm going to show you. You could take those off and just make a garland, like a tiny garland for your tier tray. And I mean, yes, they look nice hanging from, you know, on a wall, but you don't really need them. Right? Right. Okay. And there's this one. Now this is me completely, because all year long I wait for autumn. And it's still in its packaging. Oh, I'll show you the, yeah, it'll probably be better without the plastic. Oh, I took it off. Oh no, it was on the plastic, okay. All right, here's the number, if that helps anybody. Okay. And I was thinking, you know, if you don't want bare wood, you could paint this orange, just the frame, make it pop. And the third quote is wishing you harvest blessings. Look how pretty those leaves are. Oh my goodness. Oh. And then there's the 4th one. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. So when I went to, I think 6 dollar stores yesterday, every store had something different here and there, a little bit. And it was fun. It was like a game. Like, what is this store gonna have? And today I wasn't so lucky, but because stores are, it's okay. I'm just thinking before I speak here. My sister had a good idea. We're in Wisconsin, so she thought maybe the trucks are getting shipped from Illinois first. You know, because we're closer to Illinois. Because I went farther today. I think I put like 40 miles on my truck, and I went to 5 stores, and they didn't have very much out, but I did manage to catch one little thing. No, I think 2 little things, so that'll be in another video, because I don't want to bombard you with so much. But, well, thank you for stopping in, and I had a blast. I just love fall so much. My goodness. Aren't these amazing things for $1 at the dollar store? Thank you, dollar store. You upped your game. All right. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have fun. Take a day and go for it. Go get your sister or your friend or your mom and just go shopping and plan out 8 different dollar stores and put a fancy lunch in there somewhere too. Remember, we're supposed to have fun. Okay, see you guys.